In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to convert PowerPoint presentation into MP4 video. The process is very straightforward, but in case you want to add your face cam and your voiceover on these slides, then for that we need to record that first. And to do that, we need to go to the slideshow section and under it go to record and select the option from where you want to add your voiceover or face cam over these slides. So I want to add it from start, so I'll just select the first option, which is from current slide, and then it will open this window here, and on this window we'll see bunch of options. So in case you want to have notes on your slides, then for that you can enable notes from here and then add your notes which you want to use on your slide. In case you want to choose your microphone and webcam, then for that go to settings and under it ensure that you have selected your correct microphone and camera as well. If you can't see your webcam here, that's because you have disabled the camera option from here. If you have webcam, then you can enable this option and then you will see a picture in picture of your webcam on this slide. Now to start our recording, we need to click on record from the top left corner and then it will begin a countdown. Once the countdown finish, you can see my slideshow has started to record. You can see the counter here as well. Now if you want to use any annotations, then for that you can use this laser pointer or this pen tool. And to change the slide, we need to click on this next icon and you can see the duration has been reset on this slide because it records your voiceover and webcam footage on every slide separately. And if I change the slide here, the countdown will reset again. Now to save or stop our recording, we need to go to the top left corner and this time we need to click on stop recording. You can also pause your recording from here. Now if I press escape key on my keyboard, I'll go back to my slide view and you can see there is this speaker icon on the bottom of my slides, and if I click on play icon, then I can preview the voice I recorded for this particular slide. And similarly I can go to any slide I want and I can see all the annotations I did on this slide while recording. But if you don't want to use your voiceover on this slide, then you can skip this recording step. Now to export our PowerPoint presentation as an MP4 video, we need to go to the file from the top left corner. Next click on save as and now click on browse, and here we need to name our file. So first of all, let me choose the destination. I want to save it on my desktop, so I'll just select that here and let's name it sample. Now choose your file type. So we need to make sure that we have selected this file type, which is MP4 video, which is MP4 video you can say, and then click on save and it will start saving your video on your desired location. So I saved it on my desktop. If I go back to my desktop here, you can see the video footage is here. Let's see the properties, and MP4 file is the file which I exported, and then we can play the video here and you can see all the annotations I did while recording on this slide. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.